Good morning, retail traders. I want to just bring a little message about the SPY today. It looks like we kind of had a little bit of, I don't know if it was a bull trap or if it was just a nice getting ready to start looking like we could have a reversal in the market. But we still have a rough week. We got Powell speaking tomorrow, and we want to keep an eye on all that. Also, we want to keep an eye on what's in the SPY. Like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, JP Morgan. Those are on my top watch list for reversals. In case the SPY does turn around, I can always look into these. I looked at Amazon yesterday. Shop, I got in Shop. I alerted Apple, the reversal on Apple, same as Tesla. So, there's always trades to be made when that SPY starts to turn around like it did. So keep a good eye on that. Let's go ahead and there's this one right here. I got my IWM, the QQQ, the SPX, and the SPI on here, SPY. And brought it to the room's attention when we started having the reversal. And I started seeing, double bottoms or looked to me like reversal patterns. And we had a little target of resistance. So we're going to go ahead and look at the SPY right now because that's the one we're going to be talking about. These are the plays that we were calling out yesterday. And we had that little resistance to break between 432.94 and 433.88. And then we went ahead and run right past that into close. And now we've pulled back to that support area, which was the old resistance. We're going to go ahead and clean this up so we can get a little bit better look at it. But I'm sitting here calling these trends, the sneaky snakes out on this live on YouTube. So hit that subscribe and ring that bell so when the videos come up, you'll be notified. Let's look at the 30-day, 10-day. 10 days good enough. We've had a real hard sell-off here on the SPY here in the past week and a half. And then yesterday, added on to the drama. Nice little V recovery. So we're going to kind of draw a little trend. Let's look at the 20-day 1 hour first. Get some kind of principle where this trend started. We're going to draw that in. Right about like that. So we're in that upper trend where now we fell below in that channel. So I'd say we're still bearish. We probably need to break that 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame to become real bullish again and run it back up to the top of this channel, which is right around that 448 area. And that could go a little bit higher to right around 450.93. This is on the SPY. So I'm not saying I'm 100% bullish, but I'm saying we need to start looking, see what's affected in the news, see what happens with Powell. If we get another pullback, we could start maybe getting into a long that's coming up. We'll look at the yearly too. We had like a double bottom right in here. We hit that yesterday. And that's a pretty good pullback. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of running up. And then the last half a month, first part of the year, we've done nothing but pull back. So this was a very serious support level right in here. And I'm going to draw that trend line in there. Right at the bottom right there. Well, it could be just a little bit up. Let me get this right. Right there. 428.65. So that's your lowest support. And I think we hit that yesterday. Yeah. So we hit that yesterday. That's going to, if it comes down, that's going to be the one that needs to hold. And that's really the pivot point of yesterday's little channel that was drawn out in the room. We have a couple great traders that are great chartists that are also in the room that was predicting the next move and that's what I'm all about, and that's what I like to see. So yes, this is, 428.65. Anything below that, it could get nasty again. We stay above it, and then we got to try to break this resistance here on the 1 minute right around 436.98 with that 440 double top up here, and that's going to be the SPY. So Jimmy's saying there's still going to be more volatility. Play the dips, watch it, watch this market how it reacts when the fat cats come back right around noon. See if they want to pull it back, and then like yesterday into close. Beautiful run on the SPY. It just called out the room. We all took advantage. I even alerted. I said if it gets in down to 420, I was going to take a one hit. Thing dipped on down to about 420. I took my one hit, and then she went ahead and ran on up, and I sold her into close. So it was 420 day yesterday. Let's keep it above that. But for now, let's raise the bar to 428.65. And I wish everybody a great trading day. Also keep a good eye on what's in the SPY, and keep a good eye on the indices, and that's a good guide in what direction the market's going to be going. You can notice if you watch them all together, they'll either tell you if they're at a support level, or if they're at a resistance level, or if they're breaking out of a pattern. And then you can kind of get some kind of anchoring. Okay, I want to trade this, that, and the other thing. Y'all have a great day. SPY.